Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful flower Irish crochet piece. I am currently making many different types of motifs to make a beautiful red, really long cardigan. So stay tuned to see how that turns out. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook to make this piece today. Let's grab our yarn. I'm using 2 shades of yarn. As you can see here, I've got like a lighter shade in the middle and a little bit of a dark shade on the outside. Feel free to use contrast yarn or one simple block colour if you'd like. We're going to start by getting our 2 fingers, wrapping our yarn around 6 times. Remove the yarn off of our fingers, take our crochet hook, put the crochet hook through the hoop, pull the yarn across like that, and we are going to place 30 single crochets in the center. So I've done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh, pull that a little bit more and then get one more in there, and then slip stitch into the first space. And I am going to grab my scissors, snip that there, and just go ahead and tuck this in and switch over to my second yarn. I'm just going to secure the yarn like this, twist it, and randomly slip stitch in any chain that I feel. Chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we're going to do now is we're going to leave 5 chain spaces and slip stitch. So 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 5 chains. Slip stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch and chain 6 and 5 chains in. I'm gonna slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's put the last petal in. As you can see here, I don't have 5 chains. Obviously something's gone wrong with my counting. I am super dyslexic, so it is what it is. What I tend to find is my work always evens out. If I make a mistake, skip a chain anywhere, it's okay, it will do. Now that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petal spaces, we're going to go in the first one and slip stitch. We're now going to place 2 single crochets. Now we're going to place 2 half double crochet. Now we're going to place 2 double crochet. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and we're going to slip stitch right in that center between the next petal and the petal we've just completed. So slip stitch bang in the middle. Next petal, repeat the same thing. So slip stitch. I am going to go a little bit quicker now. So we've got 2 single crochet, we've got 2 half double crochet, we've got 2 double crochet. Now same thing on the opposite side. We've got 2 double crochet, we've got 2 half double crochet, and we've got 2 single crochet, slip stitch right in the center between the 2 petal spaces. Third petal, slip stitch into that, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet. Same thing on the opposite side, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and slip stitch right in the middle, slip stitch into the next petal, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, slip stitch, bang in the middle, next petal, slip stitch, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, slip stitch right in the middle, and we're working our last petal, slip stitch into the next petal, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch right in the center space. Snip the yarn, and we shall tuck that in a little bit later, and voila, that's what our piece looks like. These are beautiful to add to any piece of work that you are working on at the moment. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.